This is another thing that I have found to be very interesting. There are co-working spaces all over the place. And of course, the Wi-Fi accessible is available. And you have your work areas, spaces to sit, motivational messages, and a very clean, pleasant working environment. So yeah, so I am here in one of the cubicles. My co-working space number is 2, and you can just come and sit. No reservations necessary. They think of many things here, so you can step outside. Don't have to always be working inside. Oh, I need to show you. You have a place to plug in your devices. So not only are you able to use the open Wi-Fi, but you're also able to work and charge and recharge. Of course, no eating allowed. So it is a dedicated space just for co-working. But yeah, I like it. I like it a lot.